Hey guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is a little bit different. We are going to be switching out some of our sinking fund envelopes to some brand new envelopes. But before we get started, make sure you go and subscribe down below for more videos like these. Anything that deals with budgeting, meal planning, or grocery hauls, let me know if you're interested in any of those. And let me know if you have a channel also, because I am more than willing to go and check you guys out. So the reason why we're doing this is that there is this sweet girl, her name is Katie on YouTube. She has a Etsy shop and her goal for 2020 is to grow her business. So she reached out to me asking me if I would like some cash envelopes. And I was like, sure, why not? And so she sent me some in exchange for an honest review to get her name out and everything. And you guys, it couldn't have come at a perfect time because I really do need to switch out some of my sinking funds because they are getting old and everything. I do run it through the laminator sometimes. So I decided to take her up on this offer, give her an honest review and everything. And I'm going to actually show you her website. So this is her website. Her name is Katie. So it's KhayteeCo. And she is on Etsy. She has different envelopes, as you can see. She also has goal setting, debt payoff jar, like that stuff. And here is some of the really pretty cash envelopes, and oh my god, they are so pretty. Like, it's my style. They're dark, they're vintage, they're floral. I love it, absolutely love it. So she told me to just pick what I want and everything, so I did. So I picked up this midnight romance cash envelopes, and she sent me 5 envelopes. So I am actually going to show you guys that, but before, make sure you go. Her stuff will be down below. And go and support her for 2020. She is really sweet. She gets to know you and everything, and we have emailed back and forth before. So yeah, so that is her. So that is KhayteeCo. So make sure you go and check her out. All right, so before I show you my new envelopes, I'm just going to go over. So I have Christmas, Black Friday, college, gifts, vacation, and wedding. So these right here are not going to get switched out, only because they kind of go with my theme. So wedding, you know, it's white, romantic, all that stuff. There's a map for vacation, gifts for birthdays and stuff. College, I just do college because, you know, the American dream, I guess you can say. And then Black Friday is always in the fall, winter, and then Christmas with the Christmas trees. So these will not get switched out. So the ones that are going to get switched out is beauty, clothing, ST certified surgical tech, like renewal and everything, tag, special occasion, which is going to be the weddings that I'm in, car maintenance, and medical. Now, as I said, I only got 5 new envelopes. So what I'm doing and what I've been wanting to do is going to combine beauty and clothing, because they're the same thing. You know, I want to look good. My face wants to look good. I want to wear nice clothes and everything. So that is going to be combined. All right. So here is the package. I'm not going to flip it over because my address is on there. But it comes in this really pretty blue teal package. And I absolutely love it because it's my favorite color. Alright, so here is the first look. And then she also gave me some tabs so I can write down the envelopes that I wanting to label. So here is the Midnight Romance. So you have a floral. This is actually kind of like the colors that I want for my wedding. So that's kind of the reason why I picked it. But they're really pretty. They're pink, light pink, rose gold, whatever you can call them. And there's blue, navy, so pretty. And they're actually a little bit smaller than what I made. But, you know, I can make it work. I can make anything work, you guys. All right, so those are the new ones, and we have our little labels, and we are going to start labeling them, and I need to actually get a pen. Oh, I have one. All right, so we're going to get started right now. All right, so the pen that I'm using is this brand right here, and I actually got this off of when I was at Barnes & Noble, it was 75% off, and it's erasable. So if I wanted to switch out my labels or my cash envelopes or anything, then I can just do that. All right, so first off, we're going to combine clothing and beauty. So let's see. So what should I write it? Should I just write beauty? Maybe I should just write beauty. Yep. I should have put it in the middle, but you know, it's fine. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I only have 5. So yeah. Let's just do this one. All right. So there's that. Beauty is done. So for medical, these are so pretty. I love these labels. They're really thick. All right, so car maintenance. I want to say main and put a period so people would know. Okay. And then special occasion. Yes, I am super excited about these new envelopes only because I haven't switched them out in like forever, and it needed to be happening, you guys. It did. And I'm just too lazy to make my own envelopes. So this is very convenient. And I'm so thankful that she reached out to me because I love supporting people. So if you have anything like a business or anything like that, let me know because I am more than willing to get your name out there because I love to see people succeed. So we're just going to write renewals. So that's certified technology. So I have to renew my certification. I have tag renewals, like tags every month. And then if I have to get a new, what's it called? Driver's license. But anyway, so there you have it. So it's really pretty. So we have the renewals, special occasion, car maintenance, medical, and beauty. So we are going to go back over and we're going to put in our money. So for beauty and clothing, we're going to take whatever we have, which I don't think we have money, so we don't have no money. We're going to set that aside. All right, renewals. We have $15 that's going to go in renewals. And look at the inside, you guys. That's cool. It has a different print. Special occasion. This I've had for a long time. 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. And then here's the inside again. And it's very like durable. They're a little stiff, but it's fine. I'll just have to work it in and everything. But it's very like, feels very high quality. So I'm super excited about that. Medical, which I just spent some money at the doctor's. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Which probably when you see my check-in, all of this will probably be gone. Oh, look at this one. It says, a life lived in love will never be dull. That's cool. But anyways, like I said, I went to the doctor, so I have a prescription that I have to fill, so that's probably going to be gone. And then, let's see, we have car maintenance, 50, 70, 80. Alright, you guys, so there you have it. here is the new and improved cash envelopes. Thank you so much, Katie, for reaching out to me and for wanting to grow your business in 2020. I am so excited to help you out, and I hope that you have all the good luck this year, and I am super excited. I will be watching your Etsy shop for new envelopes or budgetings or anything like that. So once again, this is her website, KhayteeCo. Her stuff will be down below, like I said. And yes, go check her out. Even if you don't want to buy anything, like, get her name out, because she is precious, you guys. She really is. So I'm super excited. And yeah, so I hope y'all have a great week. Let me know down below if you are liking these videos. It was about time, you guys. But anyways, I will see you guys later, and have a blessed week. Bye.